transform your Notion space from cluttered chaos to organized efficiency with a killer custom menu. First, let's build the foundation of your custom menu in your main Notion workspace or at the top level of any page where you want this menu. Click the Add Page button. Instead of creating a new page immediately, we're going to use a powerful organizational tool, the toggle list. Click on Toggle List to create a new toggle. Label this toggle something clear, like Main Navigation or My Workspace menu. This will act as the expandable section for your core links. Now, click inside your newly created toggle to add your first menu item. You can create new Notion pages here directly for different sections, like projects, notes, or databases. Go ahead and create all the primary pages you want to include in your menu. Think about the core areas of your work or life that you need quick access to. But what about those pages and databases you've already created? Simply drag and drop them directly into your main navigation toggle. See how easy that is. You can also create multiple menus. For instance, create another toggle list and label it Quick Links or Tools for frequently accessed external websites or specific databases. To add a link, simply type the name of the link you want, then type to bring up the command menu, and select Link to Page. You can then search for existing pages or paste external URLs. Want to make it even more visually appealing and functional? You can add emojis to your menu items for quick recognition. Hover over a page title within your toggle. Click that appears, and select Icon. Choose an emoji that represents the content of that page. It makes scanning your menu so much faster. And there you have it. Your custom, organized menu is ready. You can collapse and expand your toggles to keep your workspace clean and focused on what you're working on right now. Compare this to a cluttered workspace. Having a well-structured menu in Notion isn't just about aesthetics. It's a massive productivity booster, saving you time and mental energy.